We're microwaving pomegranates. Let's see how this works.
Back up.
I'm trying to film it.
Alrighty then. Is that plasma coming out of those?
Look, guys.
They like seriously just burnt that whole. Look out.
Did you guys see that?
Look out.
I think we need to do that again. Like you squeezed it.
That's right. Get all juicy for me, baby.
Just keep squeezing them.
That's what she said.
That's the way he likes it.
Alright, move.
Move, I'm trying to videotape it.
Alrighty then.
Dude, you need to stop that.
That was some serious plasma right there.
Now, question. Is it a good idea to microwave pomegranates?
No!
No, not at all, because it'll just destroy your microwave. And then your parents will kill you. So that's about it for my one episode of Is it a good idea to microwave this? No, I'm your host. I will not tell you my name.